Kids, what bird is this? This is a parrot. Parrot, parrot, green and bright, flying high with great delight. Kids, what bird is this? This is a peacock. Peacock, peacock, colorful, bright, dancing bird. Kids, what bird is this? This is a sparrow. Sparrow, sparrow, small and sweet, tiny bird. Kids, what bird is this? This is an owl. Owl, owl, big round eyes, flying softly through the sky. Kids, what bird is this? This is a pigeon. Pigeons can find their way home from far away. Kids, what bird is this? This is a duck. Ducks can swim and fly. Duck, duck, quack, quack. Wow, what bird is this? This is an eagle. Eagle flying in the sky. Wow, what bird is this? This is a swan. Swan, swan, flying bright, dancing softly. Kids, what bird is this? This is a flamingo. Flamingo, flamingo, pink and bright, standing tall above. Kids, what bird is this? This is a crow. Crow, crow, black and smart, flying high with happy. Kids, what bird is this? This is a kingfisher. Kingfishers catch fish from water.
Kids, what bird is this?
This is a woodpecker.
Woodpeckers peck trees with strong beaks.
Kids, what bird is this? This is a robin. Robins are known for their very sweet and beautiful songs. Kids, what bird is this? This is a hen. Hen, hen, cluck, cluck, fun, playing underneath the sun. Kids, what bird is this? This is a rooster. Rooster, rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo, colorful birds say. Parrot flying in the sky, peacock dancing way up high. Sparrow chirps and pigeons play, happy birds all sing today.